Welcome to this in-depth tutorial on WP Configurator, the ultimate solution for creating customizable product options for WooCommerce. In this video, we'll walk you through every step to build a fully interactive product configurator, from setting up your WooCommerce product to customizing layers and forms. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to create stunning configurators that enhance customer experience and drive conversions. Let's get started. To begin, let's create a WooCommerce product. Navigate to the Products tab on the left menu and click Add New Product. Let's name this product Customizable Car. Add a description that highlights the customization features, like color, roof options, and more. Next, upload a product image. For this tutorial, we're using a sleek car design. Once done, click View Product to preview it live on your website. This will serve as the foundation for the product configurator we'll be building today. Now, let's set up the configurator. Head to your website's dashboard, click on the Configurator tab, and select New Configurator. Start by naming your configurator. Let's call it Car Configurator. Then choose the product we just created and select a style. Click Create to proceed, and you'll see your configurator taking shape. For this tutorial, we'll explore a few styles, including some premium options like Panorama and Bara, which provide an immersive experience. Here's where the magic happens, the Backend editor. Let's start by creating our first group, Base Color. Groups organize different customization options, such as color, roof, and more. To make this group functional, we'll add image layers. Each layer represents a color option for the car. For instance, we'll add red, blue, and black. This is a key step in creating an interactive user experience. Duplicating a layer is a quick way to add similar options. Simply duplicate the layer, rename it, and update the image. Now that we've set up the color layers, it's time to bring them to life by adding product images for each car color variant. These images are what your customers will see when they select a color option. So let's make sure they look amazing. Next, click on an image layer, select Layer Type, choose Image Type, and upload the corresponding image. You can preview the changes live to ensure accuracy. Start by clicking on the first layer. Let's begin with red. Next, choose Layer Type and set it to Image Type. This tells the configurator that this layer will display an image. Now, upload the image you want to associate with this color. For the red layer, we'll use a high-quality image of the car in a striking red finish. Let's move on to the next layer. For blue, click the layer, set the type to image, and upload the corresponding blue car image. Easy, right? I'll quickly add the remaining color images in fast mode. Remember, for each layer, you simply select the layer, choose image type, and upload the corresponding file. While you're working, you can switch to live view at any time to see the images in action. This allows you to preview how the car will look with each color applied, ensuring everything is aligned perfectly. Once all the images are uploaded, double-check your work and don't forget to save your progress. Regular saving is key when working with multiple layers to avoid losing your hard work. Now let's add control icons. Control icons make it easier for users to select their desired options. These small images represent the choices available in a visually appealing way. Now that we've added the color images, let's make the configurator even more intuitive by setting an active layer. The active layer determines which option is selected by default when the configurator loads, providing a smooth starting point for your customers. Let's set blue as the active layer. Click on the blue layer, and in the Settings panel, check the box for Active on Load. This ensures that blue will be the default color when the configurator opens. Once you've saved your changes, you can preview the configurator in live view to confirm that blue is indeed the default option. Looks great, right? Next, let's switch the active layer to red. Click on the red layer, check Active on Load, and make sure to uncheck the active box for blue. Only one layer can be active at a time, so this step is critical. Save your changes and head back to live view. Now red is the default, and everything transitions seamlessly. Perfect. I'll quickly go through the rest of the layers in fast mode. Remember, setting active layers is an essential step for a polished configurator. It helps guide your customers and ensures their customization journey starts smoothly. Don't forget to save frequently as you work through your layers. Now that we've set up all the color options, it's time to add a new customization group, Roof Options. This allows customers to choose different roof styles, adding another layer of personalization to their car. To begin, click Add Group, name it Roof, and save your changes. This group will house all the roof style variants. Within the roof group, we'll add individual image layers for each roof style. For this tutorial, we'll create options for different color roofs. For each roof variant, click on Add Layer, name it Standard Roof, and select Layer Type as Image. This tells the configurator to display an image for this layer. Next, upload the product image for the Standard Roof option. This should be a clear, high-quality image that showcases the roof in detail. Now, add another image layer for the next roof variant, and repeat the process as we move through each roof option. Once the images are in place, add control icons for each roof variant. These icons make it easy for customers to select their preferred roof style at a glance. While we are doing these, I'd like to say that one of the great things about WP Configurator is its flexibility. It's fully compatible with all popular WordPress themes, including Hello Elementor, 2024, 2025, Astra, Cadence, and Ocean WP. This means no matter what theme you're using, the configurator will integrate seamlessly, keeping your website looking and functioning beautifully. Now let's finish the roof part in quick mode. Before moving on, double-check everything and save your progress. Regular saves are crucial to avoid losing any work, especially when working with multiple layers. With the roof group complete, we are ready to move on to the next set of features. Here's a live view of the configurator with base colors and roof options. It's exciting to see how quickly everything comes together. Now it's time to add another exciting customization option, the spoiler. Spoilers are an important visual and functional upgrade for many cars, and giving your customers the ability to choose one adds great value to your configurator. Start by adding a new group. Click on Add Group, name it Spoiler, and save your changes. Groups, as you know, organize specific sets of customization options for the product. Ensure to upload image for control icon, then save changes to apply. We're making amazing progress. Now, let's take our configurator to the next level by adding the fourth group, Exterior. The exterior options will allow your customers to customize additional features like body kits, trim designs, or decals to truly personalize their car. First, click Add Group and name it Exterior. Think of this group as a way to add those final touches that make the car unique to each customer. Now, we'll add individual image layers for each exterior option. Now, repeat this process for all the remaining exterior variants. I'll run through this in fast mode so you can see how it all comes together. Finally, let's switch to live view to see our progress. Once the images are in place, let's add control icons for each variant. These icons are essential for helping customers visually select their preferred exterior style. Now save the work and check the results. It looks great. All right, we're getting closer to a polished configurator. Now, let's tackle an important aspect of creating a seamless user experience: layer stacking. Proper stacking ensures that all your images and customization options display in the correct order, so your configurator looks flawless both in the backend and for customers. Each layer in the configurator has an order value. This value determines how the layers are stacked. Think of it like building a sandwich. The bottom layer is your bread, and the layers above it stack in order until you reach the top bun. To get started, click on the layer you want to adjust. For example, let's work on the base color group. Set a low order value, such as 1, since the base color should appear beneath everything else. Let's double check on the live view how it's coming along. It all seems correct now. Next, let's change the active layer to red. Click on the red layer, check Active on Load, and make sure to uncheck the active box for blue. only one layer can be active at a time, so this step is essential. Now let's move on to the fifth group wheel type. This will allow customers to select different rim sizes and designs for their car, adding that perfect finishing touch. Start by clicking Add Group, naming it Wheel Type, and saving it. This group will house the rim options we're about to create. For this group, we'll add subgroups for different rim sizes, 16-inch and 18-inch rims. To do this, click Add Layer and place it beneath the Wheel Type group folder. First, name the subgroup 16-inch rims and add the layers for different rim designs under this subgroup. For each layer, upload the image and set a control icon, just like we've done for the previous groups. I'll quickly add the layers and icons for the 16-inch rims here. It's the same straightforward process you've already mastered. With the wheel type group and subgroups complete, let's preview the results in live view. This is where all your hard work comes together. As you can see, the configurator handles the transitions beautifully. Customers can easily switch between 16-inch and 18-inch rims and explore the various designs within each size. The options update dynamically, providing an engaging and interactive experience. Notice how the control icons make it easy to navigate between designs, while the live preview gives customers a real-time look at their customizations. We're almost at the finish line. Now, let's set up the final process for our configurator. What happens after your customers complete their customizations? You can choose between three options: cart form, add to cart, quote form, or contact form. Let's explore how each one works. First, we'll configure the add to cart form. In Settings, select Cart Form from the drop-down menu. This option lets customers add their customized product directly to their cart, streamlining the purchase process. Once you've saved your changes, test it in live view to ensure it's working perfectly. The customized product is now ready to be added to the cart. Next, let's set up the Quote Form option. This is great for customers who might want an estimate before committing to a purchase. Simply select Get a Quote Form from the drop-down and save. In live view, customers can now request a quote for their customized product with just a click. It's a great way to encourage inquiries for high-ticket items. Finally, let's set up the contact form. Back on your main dashboard, select the Contact tab on the left, and then click on Add New. Give it a title, and on the code box, and your title at the top. Finally, on the Configurator window, select Settings, and from the Contact Form drop-down, select the form you just created. And that's it. You now have three flexible options for the configurator's end process. Customers can add to cart, request a quote, or contact you directly. This versatility ensures your configurator meets the needs of every user. And there you have it, a fully functional product configurator built from start to finish using WP Configurator. Your customers will love the seamless customization experience you've created. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy configuring!